Spicebag, 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 Spicebag. Hello folks, how are we? So you may wonder what the fuck is a Spicebag? And you may wonder, unless you're not Irish or you've never lived in Ireland, because Spicebag is a quite popular dish in Ireland. It's a takeaway dish and it's basically made of some chips, some fried veg, some fried veg and some fried chicken and blend of spices. It's kind of Chinese style, Irish Chinese mix. Yeah. And today I'm going to show you how to do it at home. And all you need is some green pepper, some red pepper, some chilies, some onion. That's a red onion. And small bit of carrot, chicken fillet, and if you're lazy you can just get the frozen chips, stick them in the oven, and that's your chips done. But I went the extra mile and I'm making fresh homemade chips. You know, deep fry them, obviously. The other thing is you need about 10 minutes to make it. I'm sure you have extra 10 minutes in your hands if you have. Jump in! Right, let's jump into the prep. Like I said, you're gonna need about 1 chicken fillet. Okay, let's prepare the ingredients. Start with chicken, cut it in the long thin strips. That's the egg wash, just milk and egg. Put your chicken in there and just leave it there to soak. So just put it aside. Then we have our vegetables, your green pepper, red pepper, chilies, onion, carrots, and slice them as well. Slice them in thin long strips as the chicken. Now with the red onion, don't cut it too thin, leave it a bit chunky. Just follow and do as I do, and that's it. That's our vegetables done. Now heat the oil in a saucepan, about 170-180, preferably 180. Take your chicken and put it in the flour. But make sure you shake the excess egg wash. And coat the chicken evenly. And while frying, make sure you shake off any excess flour and lay in one by one. And this should take no more than 3-4 minutes, so watch out. So now that your chicken is in, make sure to turn up the heat, because when you put the cold chicken in the oil temperature drops, so make sure your heat is up all the way. So like I said, this will take about 3-4 minutes, and as soon as your chicken is done, just take it out the oil, shake the excess oil, and throw them in a separate bowl. And we're going to season the chicken with some salt and the spice blend. The spice blend I prepared is cinnamon, garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, chili, and Chinese 5-spice. And make sure you season the chicken with this spice blend really well. And also I'm gonna be using maple syrup for extra sweetness, just a drizzle. We don't want to flood it, so now give it a toss to distribute the flavors evenly. And that's your chicken done. Now for the chips, What I did with mine, I blanched them beforehand, and now they are quite soft. So, and it's only gonna take about 3-4 minutes to fry as well, so it's quicker. In the other pan, just dash of oil and start frying your vegetables. And also with the vegetables, no longer 3-4 minutes. You just want a quick fry, so it still has a nice bite. As soon as your chips are done, take them out of the oil in the same bowl as chicken and season them with salt and throw them back into the pan with the vegetables and season with the spice blend and squeeze in some lemon juice for some citrusy flavor and just give it a toss, and that's your spice bag on a plate done. So that was really easy. So there's our spice bag on a plate. So not bad. Whew. Nice. So now you know what the spice bag is. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me, and if you liked the video, please hit that subscribe button and like the video also. And yeah, see you next time. I'm gonna get back to my plate.